Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Bayi Putranto. I'm an Associate Technical Advisor of Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And now, I will begin about tutorial connecting access point to Virtual Smart Zone. So, for example, we already have access point and we want to connect it to Virtual Smart Zone. The prerequisite, you already install Virtual Smart Zone in your virtual machine or you already have a device Virtual Smart Zone. Let's start. And in here, I already have access point. I should log in with the default username and password super sp-admin. And then in here, I should change the IP address to same with the controller. So I will change the IP address to 8 dot maybe 8.11 and the gateway is 8.1. Okay, and right now the IP address is changed, so I must change my IP address to same network with the access point. So I changed it with 8 and the default gateway also 8. And I should try ping 192.168.8.11 and it's replied. What about 8.10? Hmm, 8.10 is 8 dot right now the wait, I think the IP address is different. Is it already breaching? I will try to disable my firewall.